So for hepatitis, we have different forms of hepatitis. It could be hepatitis A, B, C, D, E. But one of the most common ones is the hepatitis B. And you see this culprit right here is even worse than HIV. The reason why I said so, although HIV and hepatitis B, they have some similarities in terms of how they are being transmitted. It's also transmitted from blood. That is, when you have exposure to someone that is infected and then you are not infected, you can get infected through blood contact. Also sharing sharps, predisposing people to this. Now, some of the places that people are even sharing sharps that they do not even take cognizance of are, guys, for men, when you go to shave your hair, please try and go with your clippers, because aside HIV, you could also get hepatitis B. And hepatitis B, as I said, is more resistant than HIV virus. Hepatitis B can be on the surface for a longer period of time, which can predispose people to having disease. And a lot of people are actually coming down with this. Another thing is you can get it via sexual transmission. I think they discover that they have hepatitis B. Yeah, there's a panic of, wow, what am I going to do? Have I infected my family? And I've seen some couple of patients come, to the hospital, they test positive. So the first thing I will do when I see such tests is that I will ask them to do another test for a reconfirmation. You understand? So after doing that, and then it is ascertained that this person has hepatitis B, we start the process. It is very important for you to screen your family members, especially your wife and your children. Now, I won't screen them. If they turn out to be negative, they need to be vaccinated immediately. That is the caveat here. They need to be vaccinated so that they are not going to contact this. And for children, they are usually safe because if they had gone through the immunization schedule, they must have gotten the hepatitis B then, the vaccine. So if you turn out to be hepatitis B positive, it's not the end of the world, okay? It is manageable. You just have to comply with your doctor's, orders, and then ensure that you carry out your investigations, stay away from alcohol consumption, stay away from herbal concoction. Hepatitis B and HIV is very rampant in this environment, in this day and time. So I want you to be safe out there, protect yourself, avoid multiple sexual partners, avoid sharing sharps with people, and have your own personal things. And ladies, when you go for your manicures, your pedicures, please carry your things along with you. Hepatitis B is real and it is very high in the country. See you in my next video.